These are the absolute best tool deals for Labor Day that you're going to find at Lowe's. You don't want to miss a single one of these awesome deals. If you're interested in any of these tool deals, remember I'll link them in the description and the pinned comment, as well as that shop button or view products button right here on YouTube, so you can shop these products right here on YouTube. Big thank you to Lowe's for sponsoring this video. Let's go. First up, we got two table saws right here on deal that you don't want to miss. If you're a beginner or you're on a budget, this and the next one are probably the best two table saws under $300 that I've had the chance to review on this channel. This is the Skil 15 amp 10 inch. It's a full size table saw. You get that rack and pinion fence. This is, again, one of the best table saws that I've ever used. Plenty of power that you're going to have here. And what's important is the fence is amazing. Rack and pinion stays square to the blade. And it also has those fold up feet on there or legs. So if you don't, or if you need to store this out of the way, this is a great solid option. And at this price at $269, because at retail price, this is a $299 table saw, so this is a fantastic price on this table saw. Next up, you got to check out my pick for the best beginner planer or budget level planer on the market. I reviewed this a couple of years ago. Now, this one is $50 off right now. If you're in need of a planer to dimension your lumber, get those same size boards. It saves on sanding a massive amount. Also gets everything the same thickness, so if you're building tabletops and cutting boards and stuff like that, this is a great option for only $299, $50 off currently. Also on deal, $100 off the granddaddy of all benchtop planers. I think this is the best benchtop planer ever made. This is the DeWalt DW735, $100 off. It was $699, now down to $599. It's a solid deal if you're in the market. Next up, we got a couple of miter saws here for you to check out. This is the Skil 10-inch version. This is 15 amp. This has a lot of power. This is one of the best featured miter saws in this price range. I picked this as the best budget miter saw on the market from my experience and what I've reviewed on the channel. $224. The regular price on this is $249. If you look everywhere else on the internet, you'll see $249 is the retail price. That's what you're getting here, $224. If I'm not mistaken, this might be one of the lower prices on the internet currently for this really nice miter saw. If you're a DeWalt fan, I got two DeWalt miter saws for you, depending on if you want cordless and what size you want. This is a cordless miter saw, 7 1/4 inch, so it is on the smaller side. So it just depends on if you're using this for various projects that don't need the thickness or even the capacity of a larger saw. But this is $349 right now, and you can get it with a free Power Stack 5 amp hour battery, which is a $199 value. So this is a pretty good deal if you're looking for a DeWalt cordless saw. Next up, if you need a full-size miter saw, this is it. It's going to do everything you want. DeWalt 12-inch, 15 amp, plenty of power, plenty of capacity to do most any task you're going to need in the shop. Now, this is one of the best miter saws on the market as far as I'm concerned. I have its little brother, the DWS 779. This is a 780, and with that 780, you do get the cut line indicator. In other words, that shadow line right there lets you know exactly where that blade's going to cut, and you're getting the full 12-inch size, everything you're going to need there. This is a really good saw. It's $100 off right now. Retail price $649. Right now, only $549. As we get closer to Labor Day and any other day, really, I post deals on my website every single day. Go to 731woodworks.com, click on the Tool Deals button, and right there you're going to see all these tool deals fresh every day. So if you like saving money on tools, check me out. Next, if you're in the market for a router, this is one of the better routers at this price point that I've tested. I had this in the shop, used it for a while. This is a really good router. You get a plunge base, a fixed base, and you get the edge guide, which I always love having. $20 off right now. Retails $149. $129 for this combo kit right here is a very good deal. One of the cool things about this router is you can see right there on top, there's an LED screen. And what that is, there's positions or settings on top of there that let you set different material types and different blade or bit types. And it auto sets the speed that you're going to need. So if you're a beginner, you don't really know what speed you're going to need to spin that bit at, or what depth setting or anything like that, it'll give you that right there on screen. If you don't need the plunge base, you can get just the fixed base for $10 off right now for only $89. So if you have a router table or something you might want to put this in, this might be a good option, or if you just don't need that plunge base. If you're a DeWalt fan, or even if you're not, there's some amazing DeWalt cordless tools on deal right now you don't want to miss. This is probably one of the better combo kits out there currently. This is the woodworking power tool combo kit, and I love it. This includes that DeWalt XR cordless router, as well as the XR jigsaw, and also that 5-inch orbital sander with 2 batteries. One's a 2 amp hour, one's a 5 amp hour. Plus, you get the charger, all for only $299, which is $100 off the retail price of $399. This is a solid deal if you need that router or jigsaw or even the sander, but mostly I would be buying this for the jigsaw and the router. It's a great deal. Or if you don't need the router or the jigsaw, check this out. You can get the oscillating multi-tool plus the sander with a battery and that charger for $70 off right now for $249. Retail price $319. Good deal. Next up, we got a few bare tools with the power stack battery, included the 5 amp hour power stack battery. These are the more upper line of the power of the DeWalt batteries. Right now, they're $199 value. This 5 amp hour battery, you get that free when you get this, or when you buy this DeWalt XR 1/2-inch 20 volt max variable brushless hammer drill. Say that 3 times fast. So you're getting that free battery with this. So if you've already got the DeWalt chargers and you need to pick up this hammer drill, you're going to get that free battery. Or if you just need to change tires or need a big impact for some other reason, this might be your way to go. This is a 1/2-inch drive cordless impact wrench. You get that free XR battery with this. Also on deal is this XR cordless reciprocating saw from DeWalt, and also free battery with this one too, the same power stack. Here's something for my woodworker friends. If you're looking for a handheld planer, electric handheld planer, this DeWalt XR is $229 retail price, but you are getting that power stack battery. And I can tell you from experience, there is a big difference between the regular 5 amp hour XR batteries versus the power stack batteries. You do get a lot more performance and battery life with those power stacks, so they're definitely worth it. Before we get to the rest of the deals you don't want to miss, and speaking of not missing deals, I text out tool deals so you don't miss the great ones, and I only text out the best of the best. All you have to do is text that word deals to this number on your screen, 1-731-207-7151. Just text 731-207-7151. Text the word deals to that. You'll be on the list. I don't text late at night. I don't text early in the morning, and I'm not going to spam you, but you will get the best deals text right to you. Now for my Kobalt fans out there, you can get this deal for $50 off. This includes the drill, the impact, the battery, and the charger and the carry bag for $50 off the retail price, which was $199. Now this is down to $149. And while you're at it, you might as well pick up this router and get a charger and battery free, or if you don't need the other Kobalt tools, this does come with the charger and battery. So you get a router, charger, battery, you're ready to go. Now only for $119, the battery and the charger come free with this kit. And for the Bosch fans out there right now, you get this deal, $229 for an 8 amp hour battery plus the charger, and you're going to get the 1/2-inch 18 volt hammer drill for free. So solid deal here for the Bosch fans. If you need clamps or other hand tools in the shop, we got you covered right here. Check this out. This is one of the better, sneakiest deals out there that not a lot of people's talking about. This is a 277-piece SAE and metric polished chrome mechanics tool set with the hard case box. This is only $99, $80 off right now. Retail $179. This is a solid deal for a whole bunch of tools. And if you don't know, even as woodworkers, you need tools to put things together, take things apart, work stuff around the house. So this is a solid deal if you don't have a set of mechanics tools. Or if you don't need all those tools, check this out. This is a Kobalt 139-piece SAE and metric 1/2 and 3/8-inch drive socket set, impact socket set for $180 off. This was once $379. Now it is down to $199. And this deal is not going to last long because it ends September 4th. Next up, check out the Wind 50-gallon dust collector with the filter. This is $68 off the retail price. It was $417. Now it's down to $349. This has had 1,300 CFMs on it, as well as you can attach 2 different 4-inch air inlets. So this is a solid deal if you're looking for a dust collector for your shop. Next up, you got to check this out. This is the Kobalt 9-drawer rolling wood topped workbench, and you can choose from various colors here, all $100 off. It was $498, now just $398, saving you $100. This also ends September 4th. So and that's 2024. So if you want one of these, you better pick it up. And this is going to help you stay organized. And these are really good boxes too if you've ever checked them out in store. It's hot, y'all, and it ain't getting no cooler no time sooner. And when it does get cooler, this has heat. And this is one of the best upgrades I ever made to my shop, was installing a mini split. And right now you can get this 12,000 BTU mini split for $146 off. It was $730, now it's down to $584. It's just nice working in cooler weather, or warmer in the winter. Next up, if you're needing a workbench or a table in your shop, this one right here is $75 off. This is a Gladiator brand, 66.5 inches long, so it's a little over 5 feet long. 75 bucks off. It was $299, now down to $224. How many of you cut firewood? You ever swung that axe very long? It gets tiring. This right here will save you. This is the Boss Industrial single-handed operation 7-ton electric log splitter. It's 50 bucks off, so if you don't want to cut firewood this year, check this out. $499 down to $449. Next, $800 off this EcoFlow 3600 watt portable power station. It says it will power up to 15 appliances at once. So if you need portable power, or you're just preparing for the winter because winter storms, especially in the south, come through, knock the power out forever, this might be the way to go. It's $800 off right now, down to $24.99. Next up, the Ring new battery doorbell pros, $80 off, down to $149. If you want some extra security or protection for your home, this might be the way to go. This is motion detection, as well as has that HD camera on there. It also allows you to talk back and forth. It's just a good option for you if you don't have one. Also, if you don't have outdoor furniture, this is $610 off, and it includes the fire pit, and those cooler nights are coming. How awesome would it be to sit around this and just chill with the family, right? 610 bucks off. It was $19.09, now down to $12.99, and it includes all the furniture you see here, plus the cushions, plus the fire pit. Like, this is a solid deal right here. And if you don't like blue, there's other colors available as well. Or if you just need just the coffee table, 2 chairs, and a sofa, right now you can get this for $1,183.60 off. This ends September 4th. This is a steal. $968 is what you can get this for. If you got grandkids or kids and they want a playhouse, this might be something to look at. I saw this and thought it was kind of cool. That's why I threw it in here. $200 off. It was $1,200 or $1,199. Now it's $999. Includes everything you see there, minus the kids. So check it out. There's also tons of other outdoor deals for Labor Day, tool deals for Labor Day at Lowe's. I'll put a link in the description and the pinned comment to all these deals for Labor Day at Lowe's. You got to go check them out. If you like this video, you got to check out that one right there. You'll love it too. Click in that box, get you the big old virtual fist bump.